Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you all. It's the moment we've been waiting for, the review of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S23, the latest flagship smartphone from Samsung. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech reviews. Now, without further ado, let us get into it. The Samsung Galaxy S23, as expected, is an absolute powerhouse. It boasts a sleek and stunning design, continuing Samsung's tradition of creating visually appealing devices. The phone comes in various color options, each with its own unique charm. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a blend of premium materials that provide a reassuring feel in hand. The display on the Galaxy S23 is nothing short of breathtaking. Samsung has once again pushed the boundaries with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel that supports a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Colors pop vibrantly, blacks are deep, and the high resolution ensures crisp and clear visuals. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or simply browsing, this display will spoil your eyes. Under the hood, the Galaxy S23 packs some serious punch. It is powered by the latest Snapdragon 895 or Exynos 9950 for some regions processor, coupled with a whopping 12 GB of RAM. This combination ensures seamless multitasking, app launches, and overall snappiness. Gaming performance is equally impressive, handling the most demanding titles without breaking a sweat. Now, with all this power, you might be concerned about battery life. Well, fear not. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy S23 with a substantial 5000 mAh battery. It easily gets you through a full day of heavy usage, and with its advanced battery optimization, you can expect even better endurance for moderate users. Plus, the phone supports fast charging, so you'll be juiced up in no time. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S23 is its camera setup. On the rear, we have a versatile triple camera system comprising a 108MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP telephoto lens. The camera excels in both daylight and low-light conditions, capturing sharp, detailed images with accurate color reproduction. Night mode has also seen significant improvements, delivering stunning shots in challenging scenarios. For videographers, the Galaxy S23 is a beast. It supports shooting 8K video at 30 frames per second, which is nothing short of impressive. The electronic stabilization keeps footage smooth and steady, and the phone also offers a host of creative video features, making it a great tool for content creators and aspiring filmmakers. The Galaxy S23 runs on Samsung's latest One UI, built on top of Android 12. The user interface is intuitive and customizable, and Samsung has been consistent with software updates, providing new features and security patches regularly. Additionally, Samsung has done an excellent job minimizing bloatware, ensuring a cleaner and smoother user experience. When it comes to connectivity, the Galaxy S23 leaves no stone unturned. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and USB Type-C. The inclusion of an IR blaster might be a pleasant surprise for some users who love controlling their home appliances with their phones. Unlocking the Galaxy S23 is fast and secure. The phone features an under-display fingerprint sensor that works flawlessly in face unlock using the front-facing camera. You have the convenience of choosing your preferred biometric method, and both options are highly reliable. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S23 is a true flagship smartphone that excels in almost every aspect. From its stunning display, powerful performance, and impressive camera capabilities to its long-lasting battery and refined software, Samsung has created a device that will undoubtedly delight tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. Thanks for joining us for this comprehensive review of the Samsung Galaxy S23. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what you think about this latest offering from Samsung. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more exciting tech content. Until next time, this is your channel name, signing off.